Hello everyone. I don't know if you can see that on there, but that is an Ace 2 tubular padlock. And the thing about those are the spring tension is varied, and usually tubular impression tools won't work on it. So on this other one here, the goat, we use the other end of it on it to open this. On this one here, I'm using the regular end that you normally get with the 4-piece comb, pick, and slash top of the keyway tension set that I've misplaced somewhere. But this is a fight, and there will probably be chipmunks involved. I've already moved it a quarter of a turn. I'm trying to get it up here to the top like that. And I shot some lube in it, which was kind of like a mixed thing. It helped with the springiness of the things, but the springs, but it also would cause this to slip off more easily. So I'm going counterclockwise on it, and I dropped the tension wrench once. This is that switch or master switch or whatever that they call it. The 2-piece set that I use as a bypass tool and everything. It works real well as a probe on this. And I'm using like medium to heavy tension. You can feel the slight turn on the core when you get it. I don't know, my hand's in the way. Sorry, let me unzoom it then. Maybe that'll help. I'm trying to do this without getting my hoodie in the way, or my head in the way, my hand in the way. But it's not easy. One of the pins, like this one right here, is right by the wing of the tension wrench. And that's what caused me to lose the tension wrench one time before on this side. No, actually on that side I was picking it. You know, a slight turn for pushing on that guy. Yeah, I started off trying to use a Peterson gem, but it was just a little too thick and kind of got in the way. I got a slight turn on that one. That guy's set. That guy's springy, but set. Here's one that's sticking up. Now he's set. This guy's springy, but he don't want to be set. I just give a good push on him and just work my way around. Oh crap, see? That's what happens. So I lost it. This thing's got to be parallel right on it, just right, and you can't get your tension off. So sorry, here we go again, folks. Springy. Got a slight movement on the core, so that one's a good one. He's set. Springy, nothing. The one that I said was set popped back up when I set this guy. Springy. Slight movements, slight click. I don't know if you can see anything. I'm going to get this thing to make sure it's focusing right there. I'll get over this angle. The way I'm doing it right now, it kind of hurts my fingers because I'm not doing it properly on the tensioning as far as like finger position. This may take more than one take, yeah. More than one squadron of chipmunks may be involved. Alright, I'll start over. Trying to get on this guy getting slippery. Nothing. Nothing. Probably the one underneath the tension wrench. Maybe. Nope. Little slight movement there. I think I got that guy set. Damn it, man. There we go. I got a slight movement. Springing, set. Can't tell. This is the dangerous one to push on. Where the tension wrench comes flying out. Wheel set. Out goes my finger, digging into this. Well, a slight movement. Getting closer. A little bit more. Oh, more movement. We're getting somewhere. The one underneath the tension wrench. No. This one. Yes. Oh, man. I almost had it, he said. Almost had it. Look at that. Digging into my finger, gouging me. I'll try to put this on there. Oh, I have him. I got him. I did have him. That's why the tension wrench fell off, so there you go. An Ace 2 tubular padlock picked with, this is one part of the switch, master switch, whatever. Anything that's pointy will work. And this end of the goat. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, that was the first time that I picked it. You have to pick it 2 stages, so that's why it was at that 45 degree there. I could have tried to go the other way, you know, but I just saw that it said Ace 2 and it had notches lined up, and I figured I'd probably need to go counterclockwise. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's fun picking these things. The next one I'm going to try is this American Lock 7200 series, 7260 that I tubular impression before, and if you only get part way, I've even ground down a key so that you could fit it in there. I ground that nub off so that it will fit in, and you can recover it if you don't want to partially pick it back. That's the next thing that I'm going to try, but there you go, an Ace 2 tubular padlock. Those ones are designed to defeat impressioning tools, and that's why it's good to have, to know and be able to use single pin picking, is because usually if you can pick it and you got the time, that can't be defeated. Not that way. So I also wanted to add that I believe Steel Pinnings sent me this Ace 2 a long time ago. I think that was the one who sent me that. So I just want to give that credit there where credit's due.